Hello everybody, today I have a folio journal to share with you. This is a mini slim traveler's style folio journal, and I've used the lovely kit from Lavish Laces that I was sent as a design item, and the paper line is called French Blue and it's by Frank Garcia. All the laces and trims and papers are from the Lavish Laces kit. The name of the kit is called the French Blue Antique Paper and Lace Kit. So this is the front cover. There's machine stitching throughout the project. There's fabric flowers that were my own, and I've made paper flowers as well. This is the beautiful applique piece that you get in the kit. But I turned it around. I will show you a piece of the applique. That's what it looks like there. And I've just used it in reverse on my journal. I just thought it had a softer appearance for this particular project. So I have some beautiful lace from Lavish Laces. The kit comes with lace, and that's the back there. I have put a little stamp effect logo on the back in gold. Eyelets to hold the elastics, and with the closure I've used the lace from the kit. It's beautiful vintage lace, but it's quite fragile, so I've backed it in some blue cotton fabric just to give it extra strength, but I've stitched the lace to it, so it, I'm still using it. I think that looks very nice, and it's much stronger as well. So let's go inside. And I have kept the journal part quite simple in this particular project. So as you come inside, we have a flip out. I've used the book papers in the kit as well, and I've made a tab up the top here. We open up that flap. I've lined it with the ledger paper that comes in the kit, and I've made lovely little tuck spots using the applique pieces again. And that's a lovely tag there, and I've put one of the tags on top of this tag. I've used the lace here, the same lace that's on the closure, and another trim at the top, and that's the back of it. In the kit you also get a lovely stencil. Let me just show you that. You get this tailor-made journal stencil. So I have used that throughout, a little bit on the back of this tag, just very lightly in a blue colour. The inks I used in the journal are from Versacolor, and I've used Petal Pink and Seafoam. And the Seafoam, although it's green, it really ties in with the blue beautifully. And then I've just used my own blue embroidered trim at the top there. In here we have a little tag and a medium size tag. I've used some of the lace behind the flower there, and then I've glued on some micro beads. They were sent to me by Jay Zeller for Lavish Laces a little while ago as well, and that's such a pretty colour. They've got the pinks in them, and like it shines bits of green and blue, so it's very pretty. And so that's those two tags there. And then behind we have another larger tag with two of the trims from the kit and a little bit of my own tulle at the top, and they're all stitched around, and they're all backed. Now that is the tie. I've threaded it through, as you can see there it is there. I've stitched it down here, it loops through here, and then does the same on the other side. So you can actually use it as another, like a belly band, or you can put the tag inside that little cutout there as well. I'll just pop those ones back. Another bit of trim from the kit there as well. And a little bit of blue ribbon, which was also sent to me by Lavish Laces. So we have a mother of pearl button here, but we'll show that last. I'll go straight to the other side and open that up, and it's like a mirror image of the first side. We have our 3 tags in here once again. Of course, different tags, but done in the same way. And once again, you could use that as a belly band to put more tags behind. Threads through, it's stitched down here. There's the other tag there. That's that inside part, and that's where it comes out in there. I think, yes, that one has some stenciling behind it as well. So let's have a look at the journal. As I said, it's done in traveller style, so it's on a series of elastics. Now, I only had 1mm elastic. Ideally, you want 2mm because 3mm is just a little bit too thick. So what I've done is I've doubled up my 1mm. So although it looks like there's 4 elastics here, I'm using it double strength just to give it that added strength. So that's the cover. I've collaged some pieces of paper on the bottom under the button. And let's have a look inside. I have a tag here that I made using my mini heat press machine. More stenciling on the back there as well. And then we'll just flick through. I've used the book pages that are in the kit. And there's a lovely variety of ledger papers and book papers in there. I've used my own quality photocopy paper, but I've also used, and it starts here, that is the notebook journal that was in the previous kit that I received from Lavish Laces. And it's like, there's like 5 pages of that, and then it reverts back to my photocopy paper. They've all been tea stained, and they're all really nice quality thick papers, you know, so you can draw and write on them without the worry that it's going to leak through to the other side too much. So more stenciling, more stitching, more ledger paper there. I have a tag with a beautiful lace from the kit, and that's collaged with the book papers on the front, and that's the back of it there, and it goes into that little pocket there, and just some more pieces of the book papers. And this was, I was taking covers off books and things for another project, and this is the spine piece. I love those, I love using them, so I just stitched it into here. I always think they add a little bit of interest. Some more stenciling, a little bit of, I think this little bit here is what I cut off, like right there, the end of that, or probably the other one because there's 2 of them. It's the end piece of the tag, and so I just stitched it to a page in here as well, and I think that looks quite nice. Another piece of ledger paper with some handwriting, and that's stapled in. And that's the center. You can see the 2 pieces of elastic here. Now, one is probably strong enough if you like, but I just wanted to give 2 because it just, you know, it's nice and durable that way. And there's the other tag there. That's my dryer going in the background. Sorry if that's loud. I'm sort of used to it, so I don't notice it quite so much. More stenciling, the other end of the other tag, another piece of ledger paper there, another piece of the spine. So like I said, kept very simple, lots of room for writing or drawing or collaging or however you want to use your journal. This is the back page here, another little tag. Beautiful, beautiful papers in this kit. They're so, so pretty. And there we go, and that whole thing just pops out like that, so you don't have to leave it in here to write on it. You can take that out and draw or write how you please, and then you just flip it through to the center, which is there, and you take the top elastics, the longer elastics, and you just thread it through like that, and that holds it into place really nicely. So there we go. That is my lovely mini slim traveler style folio journal. I've thoroughly enjoyed making this. It's a little bit different just to making a normal journal. It's not as fussy as a normal journal because you don't want too much poking out of the side there because it's inside the folio. So I think it's really nice, and it's a refreshing change as well. So there we go. I hope you've liked that. That will be available in my Etsy store if anybody is interested, and I'll put a link to that in the description box below, along with a link to Gisela's store and to the video where I first show the beautiful kit from Gisela for this time around, which is the French Blue Antique Paper and Lace Kit. She has a few kits on her website, but that's the one it is, and I just think it's ever so pretty. Just the blues and the pinks and seafoam. It's really, really nice. So thank you ever so much for watching, and take care, everybody. Bye.